Alright, this is Elias coming at you with another bike check. Alright, still got the same Eastern Cobra frame, Nitrous frame, maroon. Fit flow hub laced onto a Revenge Industries rim. White KMC chain. Demolition F1 25 tooth sprocket. Nitrous thruster cranks. Some Eastern crown pedals. Grippy if you're into that kind of shit. Animal GLH tire, still good. Barely got it today actually. Shadow Conspiracy pivotal seat, a Colony pivotal seat post, a Nitrous locker seat post clamp, Eastern Promise sticker, stock fit forks, Eastern front rim with the red wall. Both of my rims are double walled. Eastern Curb Monkey tire. Nitrous trap stem. Miracle signature bars. ODI long necks with ODI metal bar ends. Then I got all my spare shit. I got my salt pegs, my fit pivotal seat, Nitrous by Eastern. Bars, fit bars, crank arms, some coral Eastern grips, a Eastern frame, some rims, single wall, and some forks. Well, yeah, I only made this because my gay ass brother making me doing it. So yeah, hope you like it. Fuck it, 11:30 at night. So yeah, thanks. Like, comment, subscribe. We ride hard.